Welcome back to 3C. This will be the question part of the video, and hopefully you've gone back and played with some of the applets in 3C, how much water does thou drink, the tutorial, and just play with them, investigate them, move some numbers around, see how the values affected the means and the standard deviation. Is an important concept. So now let's go look at the questions. There are 7 questions, and let's see how they go. Again, give me a second to set it up. Okay. So again, let's find the simple represents the sample mean. Again, I'm looking for a sample. Of course, sample means not Greek. So any Greek symbol we can get rid of. A thing we'll look for now is the mean. Well, nice thing about letters, sometimes they're descriptive. Sigma is Greek, starts with S. Standard deviation. Standard deviation starts with S. So this would be your standard deviation. So by default, there's our mean. There we go. X bar. Next question. Which symbol represents the population standard deviation? And population, Greek. So we get rid of all the English stuff, normal letters. So then we have mu and sigma. Standard deviation S, sigma S. There's our answer. So learn little mnemonics, little ideas to try and narrow down. First, to narrow down your selection, and then a way to memorize or learn what one particular one means. And if you have one down nailed down solidly, by default, the other one's got to be the other guy. Next. What symbol represents population mean? Okay, population, so the Greeks. So S and X bar. Population mean. Again, mu. Sigma. Oh, interesting. Mu has an M. Mean has an M. Sigma has an S. Standard deviation has an S. So maybe there's some reasoning behind those selection of letters. Nah, just happens that way. But still, mean, mu, both are M's. Hey, it works for me. Some that is a sample standard deviation. So sample means basically English letters. So anything that's Greek, get rid of. And standard deviation, hey, S, S. I guess A. Alrighty. Uh-oh, don't easy stuff. Use the parent population in the accompanying graph to answers A and B. Ooh. So let's click on the graph. All right. The mean of the parent population, there's more to this guy, is what? I don't know. I'm going to take a massive leap of bounding faith here. Mean. I'm going to say 10. Okay, standard deviation. Again, I'm going to do another leap here. Here's standard deviation. So I'm going to go with 3. Okay. 6. Samples of size n equals 5 were taken from a population with a mean of 10, standard deviation of 3. We just looked at that guy. That's this guy. All right. For each sample, the mean was computed. After 100,000 samples, 100,000 samples of size 5, the sample distribution looks like this. Okie dokie. And use these to answer A and B. Okay. Now A, the distribution of means, population distribution, has a mean of, okay, I'm looking for the distribution, the mean, so I'm going to say 10.01. Good, that answer works. Okay, again, the standard deviation. Now, since before we went to distribution, I'm going to go, they don't specifically say it, but I'm pretty sure they want the standard deviation of the distribution, which would be 2.05. And that was correct. All right. Okay, it says up here for the question 2, use the distribution of sample means. So even though they didn't say distribution of means down here, it was up here. Excellent. Okay, next question. Draw a vertical line at each hash mark shown on a graph of the normal curve. Choose the correct graph. Ooh, it's either A, B, or D. Because this is just at the mean. This is the mean plus one deviation. Draw vertical lines at each hash mark. I am going to go with B because it does not say between the curve and the axes. I'm pretty sure it's B, but let's just for fun, let's do D instead. Let's see what we get. Hate when that happens. Okay. So let's see how we choose A. Okay. So to be totally honest, I don't think A would have been totally wrong. And that is part 3. These are the questions for preview questions for lesson 3C. Now with this being done, go watch the accompanying video for lesson 3C's workbook problem, to which you will then complete and then submit. And then work the practice, the 3C practice. And with that, I will shoot. Next time I will talk to you would be for lesson 4A preview. Good luck.